Here we've got an M2 that was towed in overnight. I was not here. I'm getting to it now. A lot of times the tow truck drivers will actually leave the driveline down, or they'll push it off to the side and have some metal wrapped around it, some chicken wire basically, and to hold it up, because this will spin like crazy when you're going down the road if they've picked up from the front. But the driver, luckily on this, he was nice enough to put it up. So what you want to do is, most of the time, what you're going to want to do, especially if these are older, is replace these strap kits. We don't have one in stock, and it's too early to grab one right now because everybody's closed. So what I'm doing is I went ahead and tightened them down just so we can move this around the yard. So just a quick video about that. And the tool on this one, an M2, this is a 216Z socket, and it's a 12 point, and this is a 1/2 inch, and of course 1/2 inch there. And you just get them on there and tighten them as tight as you can by hand. That's what I've always done, especially if you're just going to move them around the yard. You don't have to really torque it down. Now, if the top one, if it's straight up, sometimes you cannot get it on there, and so, sorry, it's really cold. So you can use an extension, and that should be able to reach it. But make sure to get it all the way on there. You don't want it hanging off and then start stripping that and then strip it all the way down. So there's a tip on that. Go ahead and grab one of these if you don't have one, if you have to deal with these even every once in a while. These things are like $5 on Amazon, super cheap. So yeah, you want to replace the strap kits if you have one available. If you don't, just put the old ones on there to move it around the yard. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody.